Friends, welcome to my channel Maths Guru Oja. In this video I will discuss how to use log table. With the help of log table, how we can find a particular value. And as we know that to use log table is important for class 9, 10 as well as for science student. Even in commerce also we see that in financial mathematics we have to use log table, and even in competitive examination. So it is very important. So certain terms are used in log table while we use log table. So what are the terms? One is characteristics, another one is mantissa and mean difference. So how we will able to find these characteristics, mantissa, using the log table? Let's see. So we can see here in the another picture which will come now, that if we will find a particular value of log, say log 15, before decimal here 1 is there, and after decimal suppose 176091 is there. So before decimal what is there? That is called characteristics, that is the value of characteristics, and after decimal what is there? That is called mantissa. That means when we find the log by using a table, we will find a number. That number before the decimal is called characteristics, and after the decimal which numbers are there, that is mantissa. And we have to remember always before decimal there will be one digit. Now how we can use the log table? So there are three steps. The first step is to find the characteristics. The second step is to find mantissa by using this table, and then mean difference, and by adding these two value we will get the mantissa. So let's start the sum, how we can do it. So let us try to do one sum, how we can find the log of 946. So to find the log of 946, we should know what is the characteristics here and what is the mantissa. So to find the characteristics, we have to bring here decimal, and before decimal there should be only one digit. So if I will write 946 is equal to 9.46, then to remove this decimal I have to multiply what? 100. That means I can write 946 is equal to 9.46 into 10 square. 100 means 10 square. If we will multiply this, we will get 946 only. So after doing this step, that is to bring the decimal in a place where before decimal there should be only one digit, we can see what is the power of 10. The power of 10 will give us the characteristics. So here the power of 10 is 2. So we can see here that according to the properties of log, this 2 will come before log, and log 10 is 1. So here characteristics we got what? 2. In this way we can find what? Characteristics by showing. If we want to show it, then this is the way we can find characteristics. Now what about mantissa? To find mantissa, just we have seen the table. In that table, we have to see what is the value of 94 in horizontal column of 6. That means if I will draw the table, it will look like something like this. See, in the vertical column 94 and in the horizontal column 6, because here from the left side 94, this is the number we have to see. We have to take two numbers, and that two numbers we have to see in the vertical column. If here 94, I will see 94. Then the next digit is 6. So I will see in the horizontal column what is the value written in 6. So from the table I have written this one. This is 97589. So that is our mantissa, 97589. And here mean difference is 0 because after 4 there is no digit. So here mean difference is 0. So with this if I will add 0, I will get the same number. So this is my mantissa, and this is my characteristics. So by adding these two numbers, I will get what is the log of 946. So this is the way we can solve a particular number. Let's try to do the another sum. If we want to find the log of 2.42 into 10 to the power 5. So 10 to the power 5 will become 5 log 10, and as I told that log 10 is 1. So this will be 5. So I got what is my characteristics. Here decimal, before decimal there is one digit, so no need to adjust. So now what we should do, we should see the table. In the table, in the vertical column, here since the number is 24, so in the vertical column 24, we have to see that in the horizontal column 2, what is the value given. See, this is very important. From the left side we have to take the 2 number. That 2 number is 24, and then the next digit is 2 here. So what we should do, in the vertical column 24 and in the horizontal column 2, what is the number written in the log table, that number we have to write. And again here there is no number, so here mean difference will be 0 itself. By adding these two, we will get what is the log. So this is the way we can do this sum. Now let's see one more sum. Here we have to find the log of 831.61 into 10 to the power 7. So here before decimal there are 3 digits. So as I told, I have to bring this decimal here, because before decimal there should be only 1 digit. So this will become 8.3161 into, I have to move the decimal 2 digit, so that's why I have written here 10 to the power 2. If I will move the decimal from right to left, the power will be positive, and if I will move the decimal from left to right, the power will be negative. So now this 10 square and 10 to the power 7 will become 10 to the power 9, and if I will use the log, I will get characteristics equal to 9. So I got what is the characteristics. Now what about here? Another value. So I have to see in the vertical column 83 and in the horizontal column 1, what is the value in the log table. So we can see here in 83.1, if we will use the log table, we will get 91960. Then after 1 here 6 is there. So in the same vertical column, that is in 83, in 6, what is the mean difference I have to see. So here the mean difference is 31. Then these two value I have to add to get the mantissa. So after adding I got 91991, and point I have to place here. So this plus this will be my log of 831.61 into 10 to the power 7. See one more sum. Here before decimal there is no digit, but after decimal here 0 is there, 458. So again, according to the same rule, I have to bring this decimal after 4, because before decimal there should be only 1 digit. So if I will bring this decimal here, I have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 decimal I have to move from left to right. So as I told, if we have to move from left to right, I have to give power minus. So that's why I have written 10 to the power minus 5. So my here characteristics is what? Minus 5. Characteristics is minus 5, and then by using the log table, as I explained earlier, we can find what is the mantissa. So these two if I will add, I will get the required answer. But if the answer will come in minus, we have to convert into bar if our mantissa is negative. But here since mantissa is positive, so our answer is 5 bar 0.66087. So this is the way we can do if before decimal there is no digit. Now where we can apply this type of log table, where it is required. So here you can see one sum where with the help of log table we will able to write the answer very easily. And this question is very important for competitive examinations like NDA. So find the number of digits in the following numbers. If 2 to the power 100 is there, how many digits will be there? So if I will start to multiply 200 times, it will be a very daunting task. But with the help of log table, it can be done in a minute. So what we should do? We have to use the log both sides. So it will come, according to the property of log, this will become 100 log 2. And if we will use the log table, log 2 is 0.30103. Just multiply, we will get 30.103. Now, what is the number of digits? How we will able to find? So we have to see here what is the number here we got. With that, if I will add 1, I will get what is the required number of digits in 2 to the power 100. So here we can say that the required number of digits will be 31. Here whatever characteristics we will get, with that we have to add 1, not characteristic, sorry, whatever number we will get before decimal, with that we will add 1, we will get the required number of digits. So see, with the help of log table, this type of sums can be done very easily. Now when we will do the sums in exam, say we are finding the value of suppose 746 which I have shown earlier, so there we will not show that what is the characteristics. In that case, just we have to see, suppose here 746.03 is there. So we will see that to bring this decimal before one digit, how many digit I have to move the decimal? So here, since I have to move the decimal 2 digit, so I will say that the characteristics will be 2. In this way, directly we will write there. And then with the help of log table, we will see that what is the value of, this is the number, removing the decimal. We will see in the log table, in the vertical column of 74 and in the horizontal column of 6, what is the value? That value I will write, whatever is the value. And then in 0, what is the mean difference? And that two value, if we will add, we will get the mantissa. So I hope this type of sums is clear to all of you. In the next class, I will bring about antilog. How can we find antilog? These type of sums are very important for science students and for the competitive examination. So अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो काइंडली ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स को शेयर करें, so that each and every student can understand the log table in a minute. That is very important also. So kindly share, and if you have not subscribed my channel, आप जल्दी से इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, so that इस तरह से यूजफुल वीडियोस आपको मैं अपलोड करते साथ आप लोग को मिलता रहे. थैंक यू.